Dave Snyder here. It is September the 20th, 2012. And here we go, another day of no satellite data for the weather here throughout this whole strip. Right where I pointed out before, where I had this overlay perfectly aligned. You can still see that the weather fits in this area that they show. Let's see. You can see that goes there. Look at the lines. This whole circular area here, and you can come over here and see the same thing. It's all going in the right, all fitting right in this like round area here. See that? It all goes there, but they're hiding that weather again. Or I mean, it's taken a while to come up. I mean, I'll just sit here and I'm not going to wait throughout this whole video, but I'll leave this up and I'll see how long it takes before the satellite brings up the weather. Then when it does, I'll see what it looks like. If it's like this for a couple hours, that's ridiculous. That's proof that they're hiding it. Excuse me, I had to sneeze. Almost had to. Alright. So there you go. Look at that, all that fit in there. Just need that little center strip. I bet it would look really good. Okay, so here, let me show you some other stuff here. Oh, just updated. Look at that. Okay, look at this stuff just updated, and this is still not showing. This stuff all updated. You just saw it update, and it's still not there. Why would this be there, and this not be there? How come this would all update? And I could see if it was like two areas right next to each other, or something in the next area, but right in the middle of two areas that are just now updated. Come on. It shows something there. I mean, it's right over the Marianas Trench, so people are going to look like people would more than likely look there. I mean, because that's the deepest place on the planet. They're going to look for this more than anywhere for an impact. I mean, I don't understand why they. It's too late anyway. People already know it anyway. They just don't want people to freak out or something. I don't know. I couldn't handle it. Spare me the truth. I don't want to know. I can't handle the truth. Those kind of people just can't handle the truth. That's a good. This one right here, it goes with all the other overlays that I've done too. I mean, it blends right in with all the other ones I turned on, like Tycho and all them. Man, it just does. Turn Tycho on. Where's it at? It's down here somewhere. Tycho. Right there. I'm seeing something right here. This looks like a center of an impact right there. That's usually what they look like. Let's see what else we got going on here. See what other kind of weather's out today. Should I do this real quick? I should show you something real quick. Look at that. Look at that right there. That's definitely something. Which one? Well, let me show you this other thing real quick. Oh, that might be Mare Orientale. I'm going to save this image. Save it. Call it whatever. Call it show. Okay. And the only reason why I'm saving it, and I'm not going to do the overlay here, is because it's kind of close to the poles, and it kind of messes up the picture when I do it that way. So I'm just going to do it this way. I'm going to put it out in the Pacific like I usually do. And right there. And that. Okay, there it is. It's brought it down right there where I can work with it. And it's bigger than it should be, but that's alright. It doesn't matter what the size it is. I'm just going to put something in the middle of this right now. Or over the top of this. The usual crater. Mare Orientale again. Oh yeah. The magic crater. Okay, let's try this. Okay, so I'm going to put this little hump right there, right in that little spot, right there. That's where I think it goes. Now look at the center of the impact. See this right here? That's where I thought. That's where I think what I think creates that circle right there, and then the outside, just basically self-explanatory. I mean, look at this fills in the whole inside of this crater like this. Look at that, all the way through. This curve at the bottom, perfect. Just threw that up there real quick. Wow, that means that shows something. Shows the whole west coast. Look at that. Wow. Looks like it does to me. Wow, because you see these two, this spot and this spot here. Pretty good right there. Damn. That's a pretty good fit, I think. Oh, look at the whole weather pattern there. Look how that fits in there. Jesus. All the way over here, you see how it blows out that way. Look at the weather. It's like you can see this is one whole impact in the weather right there. That's incredible. You just watch me do that. I didn't practice that before I started the video. I just noticed it. I mean, I didn't even know if it was going to work. I had a good idea that it would because I've seen this shape many times, and it always seems to be the center. Mare Orientale. I think it fits there pretty good. When you look at the whole shape of the clouds right here, the whole circular shape right there, and you see where this fits, the edge falls right along the west coast there of the United States and North America, I should say. And then this whole area out here blows way out here. You can see the clouds way out there, and look at that. It fits right in there, and the crater fits in there the same way. Once you line that up, see, all I did was line that up. That's what I did. You saw me aim that right there to that spot, and then all this stuff just fits right into place. Just happens to fit in place. Look at the clouds over here where right where this little area is right here. You can see how those clouds fit right in there. I mean, there's no question. Something happens there, and that looks like that looks like it's what it is to me. I mean, look, the weather patterns don't lie. This happens all the time. Happens all the time. So let's just take a look at some of the shapes of North America here on the land. Oh yeah, you can see all these corners and all this stuff right here, like this right here. Copernicus would be right here. You can see the shape. Look at there's Copernicus, the shape of Copernicus right there in the center, right there in Northern California. You can see it right there. It's right here. See the circle? That's Copernicus. Shows that Copernicus it just leaves the same print on the Earth or on the wherever the moon hits right here, whichever impact it is, it leaves that circle or creates that something like that. You know what I mean? That's pretty interesting. Let's see something else real quick. Look at that, though, right there. That's pretty neat. Now look at these two lines. These two lines right here, these clouds. Look at this right here. Right there, right there. You see those two lines right there? Right in place. See how this curls over this way? Right in place. Wow. What we got here? Hawaii. Hawaii would be right here. Oh, great. These are the perfect pattern, too. probably Hawaii right there, that big spot there. Come on. Or what creates Hawaii, that mountain right there probably pokes a big hole in the earth right there and creates the hot spot. Who knows? So many things you can guess on. I mean, but there's definitely some things that you don't have to. You don't have to guess. It's pretty good to me. Let's look at these clouds right here where they curl up right here. I don't know about you, but that looks pretty good to me. I think that goes right there. Better start looking into it before I get way ahead of everybody. I mean, you've seen that. I just say that cloud pattern is still there right now. We can just hit OK on this, turn it off, and the cloud pattern is still there. Right there. This whole big area. That's the center. And that's about it. Let me see. I wanted to show some stuff over. Look at this. Look at that. All these centers. Shows these are showing a lot. The weather shows a lot of stuff. I mean, unbelievable amount of stuff. Look at this. How this fits here. I'll show you that again. Got up ways here. Done a lot of overlays. Okay, here we go. We got a little weather in Africa today, so we can see how good it fits in Africa. Look at this. Look at this stuff. How it fits. Holding the curve and everything. I mean, it goes there. And, I mean, like I said before, this is a perfect overlay over Africa and Europe. I mean, it shapes. You can totally see that it shapes those areas. I mean, definitely. You can't deny it. Something does, and if it's anything, it's this right here, and it fits. The whole thing. Look at this. Is the shape of Africa. Look at this where it blows out the bottom. It's like big. It's all defined around here, but right here, you see it go down this way, and it curves right here. You see the same thing. See the same thing. I want to try something real quick. I didn't try earlier. Let's see. What's that doing over there? Oh. Antarctica rock structure. Oh, right there. Let's see something. Turn off the weather. Oh, yeah. So that just needs to be. Oh, you can see that right here. See where this goes up? This whole thing fits right here on this impact too. Yep. Damn. So that right there shows me that there's two impacts absolutely right there, because this Antarctic rock structure fits with this right here. You can, I mean, if you know what you're looking at, you can see it pretty quickly. It's a little bit off, but not really, because you can see this up here really good. You see the line that comes down the middle here. It looks like a face, two eyes, kind of. That's right there. Look at this. This whips right up in there. That shows that this one's right. Shows that because this one was already. This one is a different did it at a different time, but when I just now brought it up right in front of you, you've seen that it fits this overlay. Now, when I lined it up to a different impact, which is right here. See. So anyways, that's about it for the day. Have a good one.